Thank you, Corina. Thank you, Mina and the Arhitectura, to invite me to participate in the Arhitectura talks 10 years later, after, yes. For me, it's an honor to be among such inspiring colleagues here and to share our work and our ideas from Bulgaria. In 2011, we started organizing children's architectural workshops in Bulgaria in order to inspire and emotionally engage children in architecture-derived activities. During the years, in a team with architects and architecture students, we have been developing an interdisciplinary program which is mainly focused on the importance of communicating architecture to children and to increase their attitude towards the built environment and to develop their understanding of different cultural tendencies that affect it. Our program is designed to open the world of architecture as a rich and inspiring field for children, where they can explore, they can create and grow. Through diverse hands-on activities, and we aim to foster essential 21st century skills, such as teamwork, such as observation, problem solving, and critical thinking. We do not want to turn them into future architects, but rather to nurture their creativity, sensitivity, imaginations, aesthetic awareness. Architecture is used as a tool, and that will make them understand the world better and develop a personal relationship with their environment and become more engaged and responsible citizens. By encouraging children to observe and interact with their surroundings, we help them recognize the cultural, historical, and social layers of the built environment. Ultimately, our goal is to empower them to feel that they have a voice in shaping the cities and communities they live in. We develop interdisciplinary program based on various themes in the area of art and science, and we are eager to stimulate the development of a more broad-minded and progressive education system, ultimately related to society and everyday life. The program was inspired, at the beginning, it was inspired by the Built Environment Education Guidelines created by the UIA Work Program Architecture and Children. The guidelines, Mina explained about them, they are freely available from the working group's website. The main activity of our organization from the beginning up to now remains the weekly architectural club, which is held in the Union of Architects in Bulgaria. During the school years, the lessons duration is 1.5 hours, starting with a short introduction at the beginning. After that, we introduced short theory to the children, and after that they have different hands-on activities. We are inspired from different topics from everyday life, holidays, architectural events, or just history. We teach through our workshops. We teach them about all kinds of subjects in school, which is a good instrument. Here you can see Hundertwasser's inspired workshop, structure workshop, Gaudi's workshop. So we teach them different, our programs here is more flexible and adaptive to the everyday life. I can explain this way. Architecture and literature is the first one. Again, Japanese architecture, nature and architecture, beehives, and the upper photo is from our holiday for Cyrillic alphabet, so they created their letters as houses. For schools, we offer a specially developed program titled Urban Awareness, which is structured in 10 creative exercises. The journey starts with exploring the city, and the children, they create a mind map, and we are talking about the different activities that people participate, they are doing, and what kind of houses correspond to them. After that, the children has to draw their route from home to school, and we discuss points of interest and why they choose a certain route. We put all the routes on one map and we discuss about them. After that, we continue. Okay, no, not still. We continue with making a route with the favorite places in the neighborhood. We move in the neighborhood, and we walk this tour, and the children show us what they like and they don't like there. And at the end, we focus on the school, and they have to have a design project. They have to design projects, to do models, drawings, to decide what they want to change, what they want to transform, and to do at the end. We have a lot of architecture programs in museums. Several museums invited us to help them to develop educational programs based on their collections and content. And these programs are designed to be practical and easily implemented, allowing facilitators and educators to apply them effectively in their work. I want to introduce you with another project. We created it during COVID time. We decided to do interactive exhibition that can travel in Bulgaria, in different small cities, and introduce children with built environment education. This exhibition invites young visitors to explore key aspects of urban planning and the built environment through play and critical thinking, and introduces fundamental architectural concepts and encourages children to imagine how they can create better cities. The exhibitions consist of 6 houses, each of which gives a brief look of 5 main themes related to the city we live in. We have urban planning, green city and climate, transport, design and materials, and structure and compositions. The houses have a flexible design of metal construction and plywood in order to easily transport the built in the exhibition area. The walls of each house are partially printed with educational information, but also used as game boards. Additional containers and drawers contain models, construction kits, and materials for constructing architectural workshops. These are some of the houses. Another project is connected with architectural walks for children in the city center of Sofia and also Plovdiv. We organize interactive routes for children and use the city as an educational tool. So we have a series of illustrated booklets of routes with tasks and instructions for their completion. Children have the opportunity to interact with various types of urban spaces and buildings and can apply their knowledge from school they have. This is one of the booklets. It's from the old town of Plovdiv. And you can see the different kinds. Usually in the middle of the book we have the map, and you have usually 10 tasks to complete walking through this tour. It's nice that usually parents participate with children, and they are really very interested in this activity too. For the last years, our organization have been developing social projects through architecture, working with children from underprivileged and minority communities, including Roma groups, in Sofia, Plovdiv, and Sliven. The architectural activities help children develop a positive attitude towards the environment and support their success at school. This project is Mobile Schools Tulipinovo and focuses on educational initiatives through architecture, art, and play. Tulipinovo is the largest Roma area in Bulgaria. Here we work in a big team with anthropologists, also with teachers from the school there. We work with children, but with parents also, because we need the help of the parents in this project. It's really crucial. Also, we involved local craftsmen who help us with conducting some of the workshops, which helps us to build trust with the community there. Main principles of the project: we want to give everyone equal to be involved in the educational process, and respect and recognition of individuality and uniqueness of each person, which is really very important. Thank you.